Hey guys,
Hi.
I know that we have been off of the radar for a bit, but we've had some stuff going on and we just thought we'd share it with you. We've been doing a little home renovation, right?
Small remodeling project.
Yes. Melissa decided to paint the entire inside of the house and change colors and stuff. And we're getting some light fixtures replaced. So we're going to do a real quick walkthrough and kind of show you what's going on.
Yeah.
Just to clarify about what's going on, we moved into this house was built in 2013. You have a black thing right there. Now it's smeared. Is it paint, I think.
Oh my God.
Emergency's over. We moved into this house in 4.5 years ago, but the house was built in 2013. So it's all the original paint. It was all the original fixtures, all that type of stuff. And so the house is 12 years old. And so it's the first time it's been repainted. So of course it needed to be painted. And then we freshened it up with new light fixtures and stuff. It's been a work in progress. We've done all new floors, the hardwood, finished the upstairs, finished the outside. But we're getting close, right?
We are.
We're about close to the point where we can just enjoy the house. So, all right. So
This is our current living conditions at the moment.
yeah, everything is sealed and taped off like it's an episode of Dexter. If Melissa asked me to stand in the middle of the room, and I'm terrified. But yeah, so they're repainting the ceilings, trim, and doors. So go ahead and walk through. The better part of the house is like this right now. So we, as you can see, we've been stashing furniture from other rooms in other rooms to kind of facilitate getting the painting done. So we installed that light fixture right there.
Yes.
That's kind of cool. It's just kind of simple and whatever, right?
Yes, it goes with the wooden beams. It's going to be beautiful with the new paint color when it's done. Got a new bathroom light fixture in there too, but you can't get to it.
Yeah, we replaced the bathroom vanities.
Yes.
All right, what else you got?
So we replaced the light that was in the dining room. I had a pretty new light in the dining room, but I moved it to my office. I'll show you in just a minute. But this is the new dining room light. Here, it's stunning. I saw it in the store, but it did not look that big in the store. When it's 1 in 1,000 lights hanging way up at the top of the ceiling, it looks different over your dining room table. But I think it is absolutely beautiful.
I had my company hang this. My guys were thrilled to see this because it's got 1,000 pieces in there. Those are all individual pieces. They have to be hung. And we had to put bracing in the attic up above to support the weight of that fixture because it's pretty heavy. And I don't think maybe we'll see this. I don't think I've actually posted a video. Brand new, super cool dining room table.
Yes.
I'll find a picture of that and I'll post it a little bit later. But yeah, that's pretty cool.
So the living room, I decided to try something different in here.
Yeah, feel free to post in the comments below what you think. What did you do, Melissa?
Well, this wall is called color drenching. I guess that's the new design term. But from the trim at the top all the way to the bottom is the same color.
How did it look before?
It was all white before.
These were all white cabinets painted the trim color, including the surround up there for the top of the fireplace. And somebody decided to paint everything the same color.
Yes, but I did leave the fireplace mantle white. I thought that would, we did not color drench the wall with the windows, so we thought that leaving the fireplace white would bring in the rest of the trim and kind of lighten up the room as well.
I guess when we get the lighting on and all, we'll see how it looks.
Yeah.
So we painted that wall. We're repainting the ceiling, kind of the same color, but this whole room just got a heck of a lot darker.
Yeah, that was not the initial intent. The initial intent was for this wall to be dark and everything else to be the color of the ceiling. But what happened was the sides are not even. There's a column on this side and there's not on that side, and there was not a clear break to stop the paint. next to on the wall over there. There was,
Right.
so anyway,
Let's go look at another one.
yes,
So as you can see, the house is basically in construction mode.
yes.
So we are living in our outdoor patio that we've got a vinyl window system, and it's on a separate heating and air conditioning system. So we don't have to breathe in the paint fumes. So we are literally spending all of our days inside that little room in there.
Yes, it could be worse. So in here is where I put the dining room light.
Yeah, so this was over the table in the dining room.
And it makes a really nice addition to my office.
There it is.
And everything in here is going to be painted, and the color is on the wall there.
Yeah, so there's little splotchy pieces, little sample paintings in every room where we were kind of experimenting.
Yeah, that's going
stuff
to
like
really
that.
warm this office up. I think it's going to make it nice and cozy. And back here in the spare bedroom, we have a new light fixture.
It's kind of simple.
Yeah, it's visual comfort. It's acrylic, and then the brassy tones. It's beautiful. I love it. It's probably my, except the dining room,
You
my
can't.
favorite.
Turn the lights off. Oh, that is the light. There is no other lights. This doesn't have
No can lights.
no can lights in here.
Yeah, and this is the bathroom fixture we use.
And we've been replacing vanity fixtures all the way through the house also.
Yeah. So
And
the
all
two
four of the
spare
downstairs
bedrooms
bathrooms.
look alike. Just something a little more updated. And the color is just going to be beautiful when it's done in here. It's a lighter color. It'll kind of brighten it up some.
All right, so now you know where we've been the last couple of weeks. It's been cycling through some old content, and we've been doing. The weather's kind of been crappy until this last week, so we've driven a little bit. But this has been this is as much a vlog as it is about cars. And so the next couple of weeks, it's supposed to be 3 weeks of this construction stuff. So
Yeah, they said 2, but it'll be a week tomorrow, and there is no way. I don't think it'll be done in 2 weeks. I'll be shocked.
well, we'll let you see it when it's done. Now you're all caught up.